tapping skills. Wow. Oh. What could it be? I can't even control my smile. I'm gonna start tearing up. I had gotten these boots several months ago and I got buyer's remorse, so I returned them. And the Blair Sauceman got them for me. They're so nice. I just couldn't get myself to keep them. Oh my god, why are the pieces so small?
Ready to dump it?
Oh my, we're never gonna get this.
Have faith.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a restful holiday week. All I wanted to do for the holiday week was just do absolutely nothing. I've lost all track of time. While I had some time, I really wanted to build a vanity table. I'm gonna head to IKEA and see what we can find and if we can DIY something. I really want a little vanity to like do my makeup, get ready. I was doing some research and vanities are so expensive. The one I was looking at was like $2,000. I'm like, I don't know if I'm quite ready to spend that kind of money on a vanity table just yet. I want this. It's really not that steep.
For the reals?
For my get ready with me's.
Where are you gonna put it? On your vanity?
I could put it on my vanity. Guys, Squid Games is out. Dinner plans today with my friend who is visiting from out of town, and we're gonna go get Sichuan tonight, but I had some time to kill, so I'm gonna go to Saks. My credit card company gives me $50 credit before the end of the year, so I want to go and use it.
Nope.
Blair Sauceman is gonna leave me because he wants to go look at Legos again.
No, I'll go with you.
You gonna go with me? So I saw some reviews on this foundation, the Shiseido Radiant Lifting Foundation. So I heard this one and this one's really good. This one's less coverage, but it's very watery. Ooh, I kind of like that. How much is this? I don't want to go too over my $50 budget. Secured the goods. Now we're gonna go to dinner. Oh, it's so chaotic here.
내가 먹고 싶은 걸 먹어야 돼.
Hello everyone! I want to talk about my latest therapy session, and a big thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring this portion of the video. A couple months ago, Blair Sauceman and I started couples therapy. Every session was like unraveling another layer about ourselves. We did different activities and situation role play where we would, with our therapist, have a dialogue on how we would communicate with each other depending on the scenario. And I thought after all these years of therapy, I got communication down, but I realized I was communicating very passive aggressively. In my therapy sessions, like everything just echoes. Like I can hear my own voice, I can catch my own self. Therapy has helped me understand myself as an individual, but also as a partner. BetterHelp makes it really easy to just get started. And if your first therapist doesn't feel like the right fit, and you can easily switch to another one until you find the right person you connect with. So if you feel like you're struggling and you can benefit from therapy, you can click the link below or go to betterhelp.com/MichelleChoi and get 10% off your first month of therapy. I know this might sound a little crazy, but I didn't know you had to replace these HVAC filters every 3 months. Let's see, there's so much dust stuck in these filters. Oh my god. This is the side with all the dust. This is not okay. I'm back with a new air filter and I just want to show you guys the before and after. Like, that is disgusting. Crazy. Let this be a sign to change out your air filters. Okay. I read a lot of comments about people asking me why I eat such big spoonfuls of food every time. And they say it in the most respectful, nice way, but they're just like genuinely curious. I just feel like food tastes better when you have a little bit of everything and you eat it all together. But ever since I've been seeing more and more of those comments, I've been trying to be more mindful and eating like smaller scoops. I can't do small scoops, it just doesn't taste as good. But here we go. Maybe I should just get smaller spoons. I can't do it. All together in this big scoop. Ooh, you know what I mean? I'm going to set up my vanity in this extra room that I use to store all my camera equipment. It's a nice rainy day to build IKEA furniture. And then we have Bridesmaids playing. Wow.
Hi.
Yay! Wow, so good. I'm so happy. Blair Salzman built this custom-made vanity table. Everything is from IKEA. It was just 2 Alex drawers. This is actually a pull-out tray for like custom closets, and then just a glass top. This is also like a closet piece. And then we made it into a little desk. Hi, boys. Why is my slipper on the bed? My God. This is what my vanity setup looks like now. Now I have a place where I can get ready or film because I have all the lighting now. And then I have my products laid out here. These are the products that I reach for every day, and I use little spice trays. so that they are at like a slant, if you can tell. So this is the vanity with no lighting. This is the vanity with lighting. Guys, how nostalgic is this? Cute! Cheers.
Hard work. Perfect.
While we baked cookies, we went over our last year's vision board. I would say we knocked off, I think over 50%.
I think so. Probably like 60% of our goals.
So the categories we have are career, finances, health, travel, habits, family, relationships. We probably did the best on habits, travel, career, and family. We did pretty well, except for our finances. Gotta be better.
And exercise and stuff. But I think mental health, we did well.
Yeah.
Especially you. I noticed the biggest difference, like for you, your mental health and your ability to let go of things that are out of your control. You seem a lot more comfortable and confident in yourself. You know who you are, you know what's important to you. On top of that, I mean, not everything's listed here, but a lot of other milestones. Getting a car, a house, retiring your parents,
Big goals checked off.
getting their house done in Korea, getting Rue, which was not on our vision board, but
He was not.
a complete surprise and an amazing addition to our family. Right, Rue, we're talking about you. Thought of you too.
That's probably one of the bigger reasons why our finance goals weren't checked off, because there's a lot of
A lot of things to spend money on this year.
Now all of those things are out of the way. I'm like excited to
Rebuilding.
and like investing in myself. Only thing we need to work on is exercise more regularly and probably like go on more dates. We've been quite
busy.
busy.